Welcome back to the Weekly Window by Indica News, your weekly rundown of top stories impacting the Indian and Indian American communities. It's January 26, 2026. An Indian American policy leader is calling for immediate technical fixes to the H-1B visa rollout to prevent further disruptions for skilled workers. IIT Madras and CA startups have signed a new partnership to provide Indian entrepreneurs with the global resources needed to scale their innovations. In Santa Clara County, Rakhi Israni has gained a major endorsement from DA Jeff Rosen, helping her raise a record-breaking $1 million in just 24 hours. India and the UAE have entered a landmark agreement to double their bilateral trade to $200 billion by 2032, while expanding defense cooperation. During the Davos summit, the head of IBM voiced strong support for India's strategy to maintain sovereign control over its AI development and data. The legendary Sunita Williams is making headlines as she prepares to conclude her historic and trailblazing career with NASA. In a historic first for the state, Khazala Hashmi has officially been sworn in as the Lieutenant Governor of Virginia. Indian-American filmmaker Geeta Ganbhir has achieved a rare feat, earning a double Oscar nomination for her latest documentary projects. Representatives from the AAPI recently visited India to strengthen unity and medical cooperation between healthcare professionals in both nations. Second Lady Usha Vance has announced that she and the Vice President are expecting a new addition to their family this July. A new analysis argues that Europe's claims of victimhood over Greenland's resources ignore the underlying geopolitical realities of the region. We take a deeper look at how better news literacy can help individuals navigate and understand increasingly complex world events. Former bureaucrat Anil Swarup argues that honest mistakes should not be treated as crimes if we want to encourage effective governance. New research explores whether the rise in climate-related weather shifts is contributing to a spike in seasonal affective disorder. As Suryakumar Yadav's performance faces intense scrutiny, many are asking how long his greatness can survive under the constant global microscope. In a major tournament shift, the ICC has replaced Bangladesh with Scotland for the T20 World Cup following travel complications. Finally, young squash star Anahat Singh continues her dominant run, reaching the second round at the prestigious Tournament of Champions in New York. That's all for today's roundup. Stay informed with the Weekly Window by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www.indicanews.com.